some point, there will be a few strange characters that would appear on your Microsoft Word documents. One of that example is seeing a character like this, which is a box with the LSEP in it. This is called a paragraph separator, and it is used to indicate a separation between paragraphs. A line separator indicates where a link break alone should occur, typically within a paragraph. And that character is unique code U plus 2028 line separator, which is kind of a new line character. And for some reasons, applications like Microsoft Word will display it as a visible block since it is probably from some other computer's file. And to get rid of it showing up in a Word document, since it may take a while, deleting it one at a time, here's a much easier way. Open the document that you need to work on, and for this demonstration, we will only have the unique characters. Then go to the Home tab, and on the Editing group, select Replace, and when the Find and Replace box appears, paste in the code to the power of U8232 in Find What, and in the Replace With, leave it blank, and select Replace All. You will see that all the strange characters will disappear in the whole document. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.